I'm doing slime hacks today. And here's the note. It has this on it. Here's a note. Her hand messages. From To Slime Z Master. Extras free slimes, blueberry, blue raspberry, clear gold sparkle. Sparkles, no refunds. Look how serious no refunds is. And hers doesn't. She's pressed up. And this is the thing it came in, but it came in a bigger box. It's red honey, blue raspberry, and gold sparkle. But here's the extras. Oh my god, look, the broken sunglasses. Well, that's not useful. She didn't tell me she got these. Look, it just this is cute. It's cute. Let's see what else we have. A dry erase marker. For real. A dry erase where I can dry and erase your face. I'll pin for that cat. Seriously. Goombas. I used the phone Whole Foods. Used to. What in the world is this cat? A cat. A cat. Christmas is in 3 months, but thank you. Christmas is in 3 months. Next is these perfume. I can't even do it so used. And then that you used to. Every slime video, always people use stuff in the fake slime video, so I just did our own. But let me do this because I only am at 2440. So let's go on to my slimes. So it looks like 4 slimes. I didn't ask for 4 slimes, but yeah. So here is my blue. She just stored it in a thing. See, this is not Flarp. She just stored it in a Flarp putty container. But this is my blue raspberry. I love Flarps though. They stretch so much, so if this is a Flarp, I like it. Well, this is a Flarp. This feels like, this doesn't feel nothing like a Flarp. But it is a Flarp. I don't know, this is not. It was something grape. It's blue. That's right, but it smells like grape. So this is my blue raspberry. Scented blue raspberry. Well, we should give it 2 other songs, but nah. At least I have my own Flarps and they work. Alright, next is this. I see some glitter, so that's probably my gold. This is my gold sparkle. Look, there's sparkles in there. This is not gold, you can't even touch it. Look, the sparkles are fading. No, thank you. It's probably been sitting in your workshop for 1 year. If these 2 are good, if these ones are good, then don't reach your face with that dry. I'm gonna send you these back. None of them even make the sound. And this one, it looks like it's been dried around. And you're stupid. Let me replay that. Let me replay. And you're stupid. What in the world is that? This is... Okay, stretch it and do that. Let's see it. Let's see it poke. Let's see it poke. It doesn't even poke because it doesn't even stick together. This is terrible. I got nothing I wanted. I didn't ask for stupid flour. I didn't ask for orange, not working hard. I didn't ask for purple. I didn't ask for dry blue. I'm so mad. Alright, it's fake. These are mine. This is fake. Don't hate me, this is fake. Whoever Too Slimesy Master is, I'm so sorry if that's a real person. I'm just doing this. I'm right as sloppy for that. This is my flirt. This is my flirt that actually does work. I made it look like it did not work. So I made it look like this and just did this. So it's fake. No hate, fake. I love slime. Peace. Well, these don't work because these are old.